purpose of this video is to demonstrate the measurements that need to be taken to calculate the crop water stress index of growing plants. The first instrument we use is the handheld instrument here that measures air temperature and relative humidity. As you can see, it has a little readout on the front, right? And the sensors that actually take the measurements are here in the tip of the instrument. So if we take a measurement here, if I take a measurement right now, I'm standing here in the sun holding this instrument. The temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit and the relative humidity is 13.9%. So but this sensor is very susceptible to heating up in the sun. If I move it over here in the shade, I'll put it in the shade of my body, right? I'll let it settle out a minute, and then I'll retake these temperatures. Now the air temperature is 73 degrees Fahrenheit, and the relative humidity is 15.6%. Those are significant differences between the shade and the sun. So when we use this instrument, we must keep it in the shade. This next thing we have to measure is the surface temperature of the crop. All right? And we do that with this instrument here, which has a pistol grip. It also has a readout, and it'll take the temperature, the surface temperature of whatever I pointed at. So I'm going to take this, and it also is susceptible to being in the sun. So I'm going to move it into the shade to take these measurements and let it take out. I'm going to take the measurement by just pulling the trigger. Okay? I'm going to take the measurement of the grass just below me that is in the shade. Okay? And that grass is 53 degrees Fahrenheit, surface temperature of the grass. Then I'm going to aim it up here to some grass that is in the sun, and I'm going to take the temperature of that grass, and it is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's a very significant difference also. So to use this measurement for the crop water stress index, we want to know the surface temperature of the plants that are in the sun. So we have to keep the sensor in the shade and aim it at surfaces or leaves that are in the sun.